trucks, no way. No way. What?
Right there!
Where?
The plane that's turning!
Oh snap!
Plane there.
Oh snap! Oh, we hit the fucking jackpot.
It's a Boeing 777.
Holy
Is this
shit.
a 747?
777.
777.
Look at how massive that baby is. Oh wow.
He's lining up to take off.
Holy shit.
He's gonna take off that one.
Awesome. Wow. Shit. No, he's not airborne yet. Wow. Oh, we're definitely coming back here, that is for sure. Wow. Shit. No, he's not airborne yet. Wow. Oh, we're definitely coming back here, that is for sure. Hey, what's that cab over truck that's running down there I see?
De-icer.
Ah, what?
acting.
Ça vient des trois, hein.
Eh?
Run
Ça
clear
vient
to
des
hit on the
trois.
runway.
Je suis sûr que ça vient des trois.
How do you know?
Did you hear it?
No, I can't hear it. Or an A330. I think it's an A330.
Now the engines are too big to be the A330. Yeah, the wingtips are not Boeing, are not Airbus, they're Boeing.
Frickin' snow and ice and wind.
Tu sais, quoi qui est assez fou, est-ce que vous mangez de la gomme saveur d'entrain?
Yeah.
Picks up. British Airways is even worse. Now we need to come back here.
Oh yeah, you can bet on that,
When
my
it's
friend.
a clear day.